4 7/8, we're going to give you a 5-inch system. So hardware preps, we're not afraid to do them. You know, the sauce, the electric hinges, your overhead concealed stops, EPTs.
Well, Wilson won't do a couple of those E-strikes, this flat won't do it for you at all.
We do have to be careful about those because some of them you won't be able to fit. You know, if you have inch and a half trim and you've got a particular type of electric strike, well, we can do it. We can mill out the backside of our number 2 glazing filler piece and get it just flush and fine, but it might be just a little bit proud there on your strike side. If you get just the right electric strike, you can get it in there, or we can just bump it up to a 2-inch trim there on just the strike side.
His caveat is it'll fit in our frame, we'll prep for it.
Yeah, and even if it doesn't, I can make it work. It may not look very pretty, but we can make it work.
On all these preps, we don't just do a cutout, we put a backer piece in there. Oliver can put a hole, we'll do a cutout for a COS. Well, yeah, give a hole in the frame up there. Well, great, you put in your hardware, well, how are you gonna hold the hardware in there?
Yeah.
We provide the backer. So our preps are more expensive, but you get what you need to put the hardware in there.
Right. And I will ask on the sauce hinges or some of those specialty ones out there that you send it to us, that way we can actually fit it. So like, especially for those mag locks, they don't tell you which side the tail is going for the electrical cable, and we want to make sure we have the clearance on our aluminum blocks we mill out for that, so everything clears just fine for you guys to install in the field. We don't want that issue where like, hey, you got this big huge hunk of aluminum that we've put in there. Yeah, it fits, but then where's the tail for electrical going? So, you know, they don't show that on the templates. We like to have some of those specialty hardware pieces just to make sure everything clears without issue.
So are you milling